Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. A living room with a kitchen, also known as an open-concept living space, offers a seamless blend of two essential areas of the home. This design concept is becoming increasingly popular as it promotes a sense of togetherness and connectivity, allowing for easy interaction and a fluid flow between the living room and kitchen. In a living room with a kitchen, the boundaries between the two spaces are blurred, creating an open and spacious feel. This layout encourages socializing and shared experiences, as family members and guests can engage in conversations and activities across both areas. It is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy entertaining or for families who want to spend quality time together while cooking or relaxing. The key to designing a successful living room with a kitchen is achieving a harmonious balance between the two areas. The color scheme, materials, and overall style should create a cohesive look that ties the spaces together. Neutral colors and natural materials, such as wood or stone, can help create a seamless transition and a sense of continuity throughout the space. Furniture placement is important in defining the separate functions of the living room and kitchen. A strategic arrangement of seating, such as sofas and armchairs, can create a designated seating area within the living room while still allowing for visual and physical connection with the kitchen. Placing a rug under the seating area can further define the living room space and add warmth and texture. In the kitchen area, the layout should prioritize functionality and convenience. The work triangle, consisting of the sink, stove, and refrigerator, should be well planned to optimize efficiency and ease of movement. Adequate counter space and storage should be provided to accommodate food preparation, cooking, and storage needs. The kitchen island can serve as a central focal point and additional workspace or seating area. Lighting is essential in both the living room and kitchen areas of this open-concept space. Natural light should be maximized through the use of large windows or glass doors, allowing sunlight to flood the area and create a bright and airy atmosphere. Artificial lighting should be well designed, incorporating ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to enhance functionality and set the desired mood. A living room with a kitchen offers endless opportunities for decor and personalization. Cohesive decor elements, such as coordinating color palettes, artwork, and accessories, can tie the spaces together and create a sense of unity. Thoughtful placement of plants, decorative objects, and textiles can add warmth, texture, and visual interest to both areas. One of the advantages of a living room with a kitchen is the opportunity for easy and seamless interaction between family members and guests. Whether it's gathering around the kitchen island for casual conversations or relaxing on the sofa while someone prepares a meal, this layout fosters a sense of togetherness and shared experiences. In conclusion, a living room with a kitchen offers a modern and functional design concept that encourages socialization, connectivity, and a seamless flow between the two spaces. By carefully considering the layout, furniture placement, lighting, and decor, you can create a harmonious and inviting environment that combines the warmth and comfort of a living room with the functionality and convenience of a kitchen. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!